everyone, I am Roshni and today with the Property Cloud, we are going to talk about a premium high-rise residential project which is located in one of the Bangalore's fastest growing corridor, Sarjapur Road. The project is called Godrej Sarjapur, and in this video we will cover the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities and lifestyle, pricing, configuration and the booking process. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. So Godrej Sarjapur offers the modern urban living experiences with a thoughtfully designed high-rise residences in a prime Bangalore location. The project is spread across 7.19 acres with nearly 80% of the space dedicated to open and green areas, creating a spacious and peaceful environment. It features two elegant towers with a structure of 3 basements, a ground level and 33 floors comprising a total of 518 exclusive units. One of the key highlights is its low density design, with just 8 apartments per floor ensuring better privacy and a more premium living experience. So overall, this is a premium high-rise development by the Godrej Properties, which is designed with a modern architecture, efficient layout and a strong focus on open space, making it ideal for both end users and long-term investors. Talking about the location and connectivity, so Godrej Sarjapur enjoys excellent connectivity due to its strategic location on Sarjapur Road, one of the Bangalore's major IT and residential hub. Domasandra metro station is approximately 5 minutes away, while Prestige City and Chandrapura are just about 15 minutes from the project. Reputed institutions like Indus International School and Oak Ridge International School are also around 15 minutes away. Spandana Hospital is roughly 18 minutes away, and the Bomasandra metro station and Azim Premji University are just about 20 minutes from the project. With IT parks, school, hospitals, retail hub, and daily essential nearby, the location is highly convenient for working professionals and families. Now let's talk about the amenities and lifestyle. So Godrej Sarjapur is designed to offer a balanced lifestyle with modern amenities and expansive open spaces. The project features a 18,500 square feet modern clubhouse along with dedicated spaces for fitness, recreation and community activities. With 80% open green space, landscape zone for relaxation and homes designed for optimal light and ventilation. It creates a refreshing and comfortable living environment. Overall, the project focuses on blending urban comfort with natural living, resulting in a healthy and vibrant community. Talking about the pricing and configuration, so the project offers spacious configurations suitable for different family sizes. 2 BHK homes are approximately 1200 square feet, 3 BHK plus 2T are around 1500 square feet, and the 3 BHK homes with a 3T are approximately 1800 square feet. Price starts from around 12,500 rupees per square feet onwards plus additional charges. To secure a unit in Godrej Sarjapur, buyer needs to go through expression of interest process. Sarjapur Road continues to be one of the Bangalore's top performing real estate corridor, driven by strong IT growth, infrastructure development and high rental demand. And now let's talk about the booking process. To secure a unit in Godrej Sarjapur, buyer needs to go through expression of interest process. Sarjapur Road continues to be one of the Bangalore's top performing real estate corridor, driven by strong IT growth, infrastructure development and high rental demand. And this makes the project a solid choice for both home buyers and investors. So if you are looking for a modern home or a strong investment opportunity in Bangalore, then Godrej Sarjapur is definitely worth considering. Our NRI clients from the US, UK, UAE, Europe and Singapore can also connect with us through the same platform. And if you enjoy premium residential projects like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developer for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.